1-week flat stomach workout. These exercises are going to help to flatten your stomach and get you those defined abs if you do this every single day for 1 week. I'm Holly Dolke, on a mission to make you feel confident in your body and your mind. Okay guys, let's get ready for this intense ab workout. We're going to be doing 30 seconds per exercise back to back. So the first move, all you're going to be doing is lifting up one leg at a time, and you want to bring the opposite arm to just touch underneath your thighs. So like I said, 30 seconds on this one. Bring that leg up nice and controlled, toes pointed, and make sure to exhale on every single crunch. Great work, let's go to the other side. Same move, bring that leg up, toes pointed, get the hand to come through to the thigh. Excellent. For the next move, you'll want to keep that leg nice and straight, and all you want to do is bring your elbow to touch the knee, so the opposite elbow coming in towards that knee. Make sure you're bringing your shoulder blade off of the floor and you're getting as close as possible. That's it. Keep twisting. Remember to exhale on every crunch. Excellent. Let's switch over to the other side. That leg nice and straight, and bring the opposite elbow to touch the knee. Toes pointed. Excellent job guys, 30-second rest, and we're going to repeat that circuit. Okay, let's go. So bring that leg up in an attitude position. Opposite arm come round in between the thigh. That's it. Up and down. Keep that navel sucked into the spine. Opposite leg straight over, up and down. Keep that leg straight and bring the opposite elbow to touch that knee. That's it. Exhale. Inhale as you go down. Really